Hole number 2.
What are you doing? Are you recording the round?
Yeah, I'm recording a round, dude. So just shoot good, okay? Yeah.
Head to the shingles on the mud hut.
That was a good one.
Good shot.
That was kind of
right at it.
short, I think.
It's gonna be short, but
No straight though.
I'll take a straight shot.
Looks like you're putting.
Yeah. Not where I
On the
wanted
edge.
to be. It's gonna be a tough putt.
Ooh, he's going right at it.
Long. What'd you hit?
7 iron.
Oh yeah, that's real long.
What'd you say?
That was
That's
your
too
wedge.
much club.
I think you said it was like 140 something.
137.
Oh, 137. You're on.
Wow.
Oh, that's what you did.
Oh, hang on. Catch a piece. Oh, dastardly.
I also pushed it.
That's good cart golf. Ooh, that's looking kind of deep there, fella. What'd you hit?
A 9.
Oh my God, that's too much for you.
Not bad. Get the second thing out.
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Good scramble.
4 of them. Good putt.
Hey,
Good 3,
that's a
Cav.
free. It's about time. I got something more than
Here you go. Now, that just kickstarts the rest of your round.
10 bogeys.
Your honor, your honor.
Okay.
Okay, on the tee from the mean streets of Bedford Heights, Francis Finkeldick Deterno, in 3, 2, 1.
Hi. Hole in 1.
Ah, come back, Shane.
Dude. Real good swing.
Come back.
Take your ass.
It's sticky and your breath is icky.
Right at it,
Going
man.
right at it.
Oh, you bitch!
Good shot.
Draw, yeah.
Man, that's a pretty good shot.
Yeah.
Hey, man, that was a good shot, man.
Oh, nice.
Oh, man.
Hang on.
Come on, turn like a hooker.
You ain't hooking.
Settle, 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 settle. Oh. Just a little hotsy-totsy.
Started straight the hole. That's good.
Excellent.
Get it. Good
Nice.
pot.
Roll it in, Kevin. Just
Could I play now?
Oh, I know it's going to be another 20 minutes before you
Jesus.
fucking hit.
You know, what kind of golf etiquette is that, Noah?
Are you going to go or? Yeah, really. Jesus. You want to write a letter? Get on in there.
Get it.
Oh! I'm really scared of this one. There you go.
Got it.
Nice.
Good 4.
Fucking big slice. Oh my God.
That's way over there.
I told
Oh,
you.
cart path.
On the other side?
Yeah.
Damn.
Oh,
man. You're like on that part 3.
I had to go all the way over. No, you're not gonna turn for me?
It is the other way.
I hit that good too.
You hit that nice, too.
Yeah, look at that.
I can't believe you just threw your club.
You should do that all the time.
Yeah, you fucking
Good ball,
that,
dude.
I don't know what.